How to log in to Hyperverse crypto account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Hyperverse crypto account. To do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Once you have done that, now open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, type in hyperfunds.net. Once you have entered this keyword, press the go button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Hyperverse. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see this 9 dots icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon, and from the drop down, you'll be able to see this login button. Tap on this login, and now you will be taken to the sign in interface. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated to your Hyperverse account. Tap on the first box and enter your email address, and in the second box, enter your password. If you want yourself to be remembered for future, you can tap on this remember me box right here. Also, if you have forgotten your password and couldn't log into your account, you'll also get to reset your password. For that, you will need to tap on this reset password option just below the sign in box. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, you'll also be able to create an account on it. For that, you will need to tap on this register button and then follow the on-screen prompts. Now, once after entering all the credentials correctly, tap on the sign in button right here, and then you'll see you have successfully been logged in to your Hyperverse crypto account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Hyperverse crypto account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.